Let's go ahead and open it up. To be careful not to poke anything inside. Comes with a nice case. That's nice. I was already thinking where I was going to put this. There's a rigid right here on the side. The little belt clips. Here it is, just what I needed. This is the 1/2 inch. I don't think I'll be using this one that much, the 1/2 inch. Mainly I bought it for the 3/8 inch. Here we go. It's really nice actually. It is lightweight. There's 3 little lights right there. That's nice. They are brushless. We have 3 modes and an automatic mode. So this kit does come with the battery and a charger. You have the instructions right here. It's a 2-amp battery. So off the box, it comes with the 1 light. I'm going to go ahead and charge that. And while that charges, let's go ahead and put in a battery I had, an old battery, but it's fully charged. Slides right in with the old battery. So one thing I have liked with the rigid, I have had 0 issues so far. I have quite a few tools. Right now I'm charging the other battery and it's giving me 0 issues. I've bought Milwaukee before twice, and the 2 times I bought it, it gave me battery issues. They were defective, so I'm just staying away from Milwaukee. So that's at 3. Let's try it at 1. Yeah, you can hear it lower. 2. 3. Automatic. These do have 250 pounds of breakaway torque. I got these at the Home Depot. They were $179 plus tax. It included both of these stubbies, the 1/2 inch, the 3/8, and the 2-amp battery and the charger. I'm gonna go ahead and install this little clip right here. There we go, and now you can hang it from your belt. There's the 3 little lights. Let's go ahead and try and remove this bolt. This is a 3/8 with a 10mm. Really easy. That was in 1. Let's go ahead and see if it removes this one. Should. Yep, no problem. Let's try this one on the top. Let's try auto mode. Yep. It's really nice, compact. To the big question, will it remove these lug nuts? These should be easy. This is a 95 Honda Civic. Let's go ahead and put it at 1. And that was a fail. Let's go ahead and put it at 2. And that was another fail. Now that's maximum at 3. There we go. So 3 worked the charm. I don't know if it's going to remove bigger trucks or SUVs wheel nuts, but it barely removed these. Let's go ahead and try auto mode. Not too bad. Let's go ahead and measure the 3/8 inch. It's about 9 inches tall. 4.5. From here it's a little less than 4.